Looking at my spot. Sleeping on my spot. And doggy. Sleeping on my spot. That's my spot. Crazy doggy. He's a crazy doggy. See if fall asleep. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Still snow. I love eating this stuff. Okay, never mind. It doesn't want to go in. It's still early. So we gotta be really quiet because people are still sleeping. Oh. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go eat this. Beans. Everybody knows I love eating beans. Kind of like dog food, but it's not. They're beans. Come on, Diamond. Come snow. Yeah. But you can't eat it. It's not doggy food. It's human food, okay? Okay. That's pretty much what I'm eating. They're good for your heart. Okay, guys? Look at him. He thinks I'm serving it for him. Sit. He's funny. You're so funny. I love you so much. Okay. Okay, now we're just on Instagram. Like every day. See? While Tommy's sleeping, someone is playing. He's crazy. Okay, now it's 10:08. And that bug right there, building. Shh. Diamond. Shh. Tommy's still sleeping. He's a crazy. Stop it. He's on Instagram. Bum bum bum. Who likes Instagram? Don't forget to follow me. Boom boom boom. Can you see that? Okay, goodness. Okay.